In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update Wrike in just 5 minutes. Whether you're using Wrike for project management, collaboration, or personal organization, keeping your software updated ensures you have the latest features and security improvements. Let's walk through the process step by step, and by the end of this guide, you'll have your Wrike application set to automatically update, saving you time and effort in the future. First things first, to begin updating Wrike, you'll want to open the desktop app on your computer. This might seem obvious, but starting from this point ensures we're all on the same page, whether you're working on a Windows PC or a Mac. Once you have the desktop app up and running, we can move on to the next step. If you're on a Windows computer, look for the File option in the top menu. Mac users, on the other hand, should navigate to the Wrike option in that same location. This slight variation is simply due to the different operating systems. No need to worry. It's an easy adjustment that keeps everything running smoothly across platforms. Next, you'll want to select Preferences from the drop-down menu. This is where we can adjust the settings related to updates and notifications. Preferences are like the control center, where you can customize how the Wrike app works for you. So knowing your way around here will always be beneficial. Now, here's an important part of the process. Look for a checkbox labeled Check for New Updates on Load. Checking this box will enable auto-updates for your Wrike application. Enabling auto-updates means that every time you load the app, it will automatically check for any new updates available. This feature helps keep your software current without you having to manually intervene each time an update is released. Once you've checked that box, the final step is to click on Save Changes. This will apply the new setting and ensure that your adjustments are locked in. Saving changes is a crucial step that ensures everything you just configured is active and ready for future use. And there you have it. Your Wrike app is now set to automatically check for updates every time it starts, keeping your application up to date without any hassle. This small change can make a big difference in how smoothly your Wrike app runs, giving you more time to focus on what really matters, managing your projects and tasks efficiently. Thanks for joining me today, and if you found this video helpful, make sure to check out our other tutorials. Happy organizing!